Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now we are going to see how you remove tire from your vehicle. Removing a tire from a vehicle can be done with a few simple steps. Here's a general guide. 1. Prepare the vehicle. Park the vehicle on a flat, stable surface and engage the parking brake. If you have a manual transmission, put the vehicle in gear. For added safety, place wheel chocks behind the wheels opposite the one you're removing. 2. Loosen the lug nuts. Before lifting the vehicle, use a lug wrench to loosen the lug nuts on the wheel you're removing. Don't remove them completely, just loosen them. 3. Lift the vehicle. Use a jack to lift the vehicle off the ground. Refer to your vehicle's manual for the proper jack points and lifting procedures. 4. Remove the lug nuts and wheel. Once the vehicle is lifted, remove the loosened lug nuts completely. Then, carefully pull the wheel straight off the hub. 5. Inspect and replace. Take this opportunity to inspect the tire for any damage or wear. If you're replacing the tire, now is the time to install the new one. 6. Reinstall the wheel. Place the wheel back onto the hub, making sure it's seated properly. Hand tighten the lug nuts onto the studs to hold the wheel in place. 7. Lower the vehicle. Carefully lower the vehicle back to the ground using the jack. 8. Tighten the lug nuts. Once the vehicle is on the ground, use a torque wrench to tighten the lug nuts to the manufacturer's specifications in a star pattern to ensure even pressure. 9. Double-check everything before driving. Make sure all lug nuts are tightened properly, the vehicle is stable, and there are no tools or equipment left under the vehicle. Remember, if you're unsure about any step, it's best to consult a professional or refer to your vehicle's manual for specific instructions. Safety is paramount when working on vehicles.